Hey everyone, it's Key. I'm back, and today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough on property 2. So this is a property that I am under contract with in Baltimore City. It's going to be my first investment property in Baltimore City. I'm breaking into this market outside of DC. If you have not gotten a chance to watch my video on property 1, please click the link above. Property 1 and property 2 are side-by-side properties that were being sold by the same seller. Property 1 was on market. Property 2, the one that I purchased, is off market. And as soon as I close, I'm going to do a full video on like the purchase price, the ARV, the renovation costs, the anticipated rent roll, and we can do all of those numbers and that fun crunching the numbers stuff afterwards. But for me, I'm a firm believer it's not over until the fat lady sings. So until I have the keys in my hand, like literally in my hand, like I'm getting up from the settlement table and I'm like, I signed my name. As soon as that happened, then I'll start talking numbers. I'll tell you the street, not the street number, but I'll tell you the street it's on, the neighborhood, all of that. But enjoy. So this is the property I'm officially under contract. Officially under contract here. This, I think they installed real hardwood. I do not think this is the original wood flooring. This does not look like LVP. I kept trying to look at it. It does not look like LVP at all. Looks like it's wooden planks, which I think is a pretty expensive installation. You can even tell, like right when it gets over here. Yeah, this is not, no way that's LVP. Let's go to the first bathroom, half bath. So this is 3 bedroom, 1.5 bath. There's no light bulbs in there, so, and my camera keeps blurring and it's blowing me. It is blowing me. So this is my like 3rd time recording it, so just bear with me on the blur. That stuff just has to be cleared out. Of course, I'm gonna have a move-in cleaner. Wanted a new stainless steel fridge, but honestly, this is a really ugly fridge. Cut costs, maybe keep it. I mean, it's in pretty good condition, honestly. Just needs to be cleaned out. It actually looks like it's a pretty good refurbished fridge. Just needs to be cleaned out. Stove is good. This is good. All of this is good. Dishwasher's good. What else? Okay, so here, this kitchen, you could tell, is an addition to the original house. Do you see bifurcation right there and on the floor? You could tell the house probably stopped here and then they added this later. There is no ventilation. There's no vents in the kitchen, which means if you were chilling in the living room during the winter time, you are going to be pretty cold. You're going to be pretty cold over there. This looks like that's the only vent that's going to blow out heat. That it looks like it is an intake. Yeah, that's an intake. So it's going to be pretty cold. It's gonna be pretty cold. I was looking for another vent. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It is what it is. So the addition, the roof had issues. The seller did fix it. He didn't do that good of a job, but this just has to be, this whole drywall has to be pulled out. New drywall, tape, piece of drywall needs to be pulled out. What else? I'm gonna add 4 recessed lights, and then the middle is gonna be like a dangling island light, which I think is gonna be super sexy. So kitchens and bathrooms sell a home inside the bedrooms. Downstairs is the basement, nothing to see there. It's an unfinished basement. All right, let's go upstairs. Main hallway. Well, first upstairs. What I love about this property is this one just feels more like a home. Like I love this wraparound, like this banister that kind of wraps around. This goes to the balcony. I was thinking about getting a glass door, like a full glass door to get the sunlight completely shining in. So, you know, I'm noticing there's not a lot of vents in the public spaces. Like, whew, this is going to be, oh, there's one. Okay, good. Good. I'm like, man. And there's one there. So it looks like just the kitchen. Washer and dryer is gonna go here. I have one in my shed in DC. I might just drive it down. I keep thinking about it. Bathroom, I was thinking about adding a his and her sink, but I just don't think it was worth it, honestly. And it would protrude out. Flooring, not in love with this flooring, and compared to the other one was real sexy. This one is This one is cool. It's kind of ugly. Kind of looks like, I don't know, it's kind of ugly. But I think once I add the black finishing, it's gonna add I was gonna re-glaze the tub and the tiles, but I mean, 2 contractors are like, this looks pretty good, which it does. It's just pretty. Well, first off, the tiles don't even match. Like this one is white. This one is, you could see it's clearly 2 different tiles. I don't know why they would do that. Oh my gosh. Tiling and stuff is so important. But yeah, so I think once I do the black fixtures, it's gonna really set it off. You get me? Yeah, so I gotta do black fixture there as well. And then washer and dryer. What I do love about the other property over this one is if someone is using the toilet or the bathroom or showering, someone else who's coming in to wash and dry will be right in their space. So the other one has a little cutoff. So that's the only thing that's a little weird and funky about that washer and dryer setup. First bedroom, same thing as property 1. Great sunlight, great size bedrooms, great size closets. Right? Like really, 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 really good. So, oop. Yeah, I'm not gonna go too far in because I realize it makes my camera blur. I was gonna add recessed lights, but just not in the budget. Really trying to cut costs. The goal is to get all my money back. I'm gonna do the BRRRR and I wanna do it right. It's my first BRRRR. I want to get all my money back so I can recycle it and buy another property. So I don't want to keep any money in this deal. So I want to keep this, the renovation costs to kind of like spruce up this place, but bedroom 2, spruce up this place, but like I'm not going to over renovate it, right? This is my section. I'm doing all new LVPs throughout the whole, I'm keeping the stairs carpet, but all new LVP throughout. Great size closet. I actually think this closet, yeah, this is a nice size closet. Yeah, doing LVP all the way throughout. I was gonna do recessed lights in each bedroom, but I was talking to my mentor and was like, do recessed lightings really add value? And he was like, no, right? They look nice, they're great to have. They only add value if you're gonna flip it. I'm not flipping this, that's the goal. But if I have to last minute in the 25th hour change my strategy, I'm more than happy to do this. Honestly, if I flip this, I could probably easily walk away with like, I'm not even joking, 60, 70 grand. I don't want to flip it. I do not want to flip it. I don't. But I just have to, we'll see. I'm crunched my numbers several times. I crunched them. So this is the hole we just came up from. So for whatever reason, the ARV just comes in lower than what I expected, or the rent roll is lower than what I crunched for. So this room only has 1 window. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to get a wooden glass door that has an interior, then the interior is glass. So the light that is going to shine through in this room is going to be crazy. It's going to be, this room is, I'm actually excited to see that glass door installed. And I don't think it's a safety issue. Yes, there's a fire escape that goes up there, but it's the 3rd floor. So it's just gonna be so beautiful because this room's kind of dark without it. So, well, let me turn on the light. This room's kind of dark without it. Oh, that's pretty better. But it's gonna set off. So that's pretty much it. Oh, I could have turned on all these lights. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, and I can't wait till I close and I'm under contract now. I can't wait till I close and like get more intimate with this place, show you guys the renovation process. Just again, it's not over to the fat lady sings, so need to close. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.